Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to make a Google Drive file available offline. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you urgently needed to access a document, but you didn't have an internet connection? It's a frustrating scenario, especially if you're on a deadline or traveling. Thankfully, Google Drive has a fantastic feature that allows you to make your files available offline. This means you can access and work on your documents without needing an internet connection. Today, we'll guide you through the process, ensuring you're prepared the next time you find yourself without Wi-Fi. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the Google Drive homepage. If you're not automatically logged in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, you should see your files displayed on the main screen. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will find a gear icon, which represents the Settings button. Click on this icon to proceed to the next stage. It's important to mention that before you can make files available offline, a bit of setup is required. Once you've clicked the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various options. From these options, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust your offline settings. One of the key features you'll discover here is the option to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files even when you're offline. Locate this particular option and ensure that it's enabled. By checking this box, you're allowing access to certain files on your device without needing an internet connection. Now that we've adjusted the general settings, let's move on to making specific files available offline. Head back to your main Google Drive view. Here, identify a specific file that you'd like to access offline. It could be a Google Doc, a sheet, or a slide. Once you've decided on the file, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for file management. Look for an option in this menu labeled Make Available Offline. Click on it. This step is essential because it downloads the file directly to your device, allowing you to access and edit it even when you're not connected to the internet. Remember, each file you want to access offline must go through this process individually. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to make your Google Drive files available offline. This ensures that you're always ready to work on your important documents, no matter where you are, even if you don't have internet access. Just a quick tip. It's a good idea to periodically refresh these settings, especially if your files change or if you want to add more files to your offline access. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to make a Google Drive file available offline. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online so you never miss an update.